my red factors. These are my red factors. And they're just finishing their mold. They're sitting in the sun. That's a male. That's a nice male. He's 2 years old. But they like the sun. I think it's real good for them. That bird right there, biting his foot. I like him. And the one next to him I like too. But these two on the ends here, they're brothers. And a friend raised them, and now I have them. But they're good males. They both carry cinnamon and opal. Come through their molt nicely. There's that male again. I like him. He doesn't have a name. I should name him. There's his brother. They're full brothers. I can't tell them apart. I like them. And that's a hen right there. I don't think I'll keep her. She's got cinnamon. These birds are all closely related. Look at those two down there. What are they doing? That's a hen. That bird right there is a nice hen from this year. She's just about done molting. I'd like to put them in a bigger cage so they can fly more. This is the cage they're in. Sometimes I let them fly around the room. And this red food, that's some red food I feed them. And when they molt, it makes them redder. Makes them a little bit redder. I like that. Oh, and there's corn on the cob. I've been feeding them corn. They like that a lot. I'll come back up. That dark bird, she's the mother of a lot of these birds. She's a good girl. And I've been feeding this KT seed. Kind of expensive, but it's nice seed. It's got canary seed, grape seed, and some other stuff. I had a big bag, but now I had to have a smaller bag. Okay, I just want you guys to see my birds, how they're doing. Have a good day.